is a busy month in the garden. Often you still have winter produce and you're trying to make room for summer crops, but that's a good problem to have. Make a note of those crops that are still producing and try and group those together next year to allow you ample room for all those delicious summer veggies. There are so many delicious summer crops that are ready for planting now. It's a really exciting time in the veggie garden. Here in front of me are capsicums. They take about 15 weeks to mature, so they need to be planted now. Another one is pumpkins and watermelons because they can take up to 20 weeks to ripen, especially in cool climates. Depending on your area, tomatoes can be planted from now up until cup day. Try and plant them in a different garden bed each year to minimise the risk of soil-borne pests and diseases. Broad beans were a little late this season, but they should be in full swing by the end of the month. Continue to pick peas and preserve any oversupply, if they make it all the way inside. Asparagus is a real treat for this season. Harvest spears when they're about 20 to 25 centimetres tall, cutting them off beneath the soil using a sharp knife, a modified screwdriver or even a sharp barbecue fork. Mulch to minimise weeds and reduce water loss, and keep an eye out for pests. Vigilance is its own reward, and 10 minutes a day now will save you hours of time in the garden later. And if you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone, visit the Diggers website for details.